Hello my people, una well done. No, anytime when this message reach you, whether na morning or good morning, na afternoon or good afternoon, na evening or good evening, or anywhere where you dey, my name na BB. I don't bring another story come. So this story when I bring come na about wives wey be say man don't marry you put for house, so una don dey. When you dey do your marriage for church, you say for better for worse, so anyhow when it be we go be together. We don't swear am, use Bible, talk before God, say anyhow when it be we go be together. Wetin do I dey bring this story that because of wetin I don't see for families wey be say I don't see woman wey be say children, they drive children comot for school, she get money, she dey do business, but she no go gree support her husband. Her children go dey for house reach 1 month they dey house because her husband no can get money when he dey expect make they take pay school fees. Now this man, the man when I dey talk about, na man wey be say don't get job since wey dem marry, na 15 years of marriage. Now he dey do everything for house, but recently in job come fail am, he no get job again. Now children don't go school, he no fit pay school fees, they drive them come back for house. Children dey for house for how many weeks? Woman no fit say make I take money support. I no fit understand why sometimes we women they behave like this. Marriage na something we be saying na for two people, not be only one person. No place where you go when they go tell you say when man marry you, now only him go they take responsibility of all the children. Children belong to you. You woman, now you get children. The man get the children. Wetin come be this thing wey be say sometimes I know say our women they try well, but some no they try at all. Wetin be this thing wey be say you go get money, you dey for house. If your husband no get money, take support children, you go get money, you go dey hide that. Wetin you dey keep your money for? Your money where you dey make and make you use the buy wrapper alone. You no say as you dey grow so you dey weak. Now those children go take care of you. Wetin be the problem wey be say man no get money to pay school fees, you get money, you go hide your money, you go get hard make your children dey for house, make your children dey for house so that you go disgrace the man and be waiting that kind of thing come mean. Now if you follow women where they behave like this, make you know say that kind of behavior no good. Well, if you know if you invest for your children, who you want take invest? Now who tell you say Pikin na only man get her? Or now who tell you say na only man suppose they bring food come house? So why you dey work? Why you even dey alive? They work when you they work, not be to grow your family. They work when your husband they work, not be make una take grow una family. Man and woman pause suppose they one. If man no get today, woman get. Nobody suppose here outside. If woman no get today, man get. Nobody suppose here outside. What marriage when we marry, make we compliment each other. Make we dey there for each other, so that when the other person they weak, the other person go dey strong. When the other person they strong, the other person go dey strong too. This thing when we they do no they good. Sometimes some women when I go sit down with una friends go they deceive una. They tell una if that me I no go agree. This kind of thing if it happen to me, you know they will happen like this. You know good. This. You they follow friends. Friends go dig hole, dig grave for you. You go enter. Make you know say when you don't marry man, you and that man when they walk in oneness, when they walk in harmony, when they walk to train una children. Especially when a man we don't take care of you for a very long time. If he losing job, you not supposed to make everybody come they laugh am. Which kind of woman you be? You self no they get shame. Now who do you this kind of thing? Now this kind to read and him bring me come. Anything where you think about this thing when I don't talk, I bet put them for the comment section. If you didn't you never subscribe to this channel, I bet make una subscribe to this channel. Now family channel be this. Where we say we go they take they build family, they build ourselves and they grow up. If you never subscribe, I bet make you subscribe. Thank you so much. Anything where you think about this talk when I talk, put them for comment section. God bless you.